Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Paris took the cookie from the cookie jar.
Me?
Yes, you.
Me?
Then who?
Good afternoon, welcome back to our channel. So today is Thursday and it is currently 3:15 ng hapon. Ayan, and ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog kasi ngayon lang nag-lunch break si ate nyo. But anyways, may napapansin ba kayo guys? Bakit masigla si ate nyo today? Ayan, it's because yung boses natin ay slowly nang nagbabalik. And I'm very thankful na ginawa ko talaga yung tuob. If you watch our video yesterday, so Mike and I did the tuob guys. Kaya ngayon I am feeling much better than yesterday. And nakikita nyo naman siguro, nasisense nyo naman siguro sa power ko ngayon. The way I talk, parang ang saya-saya ko. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo guys yung resulta ng test namin ni Mike. Di ba Tuesday pumunta kami ni Mike para magpa-test ng COVID-19? Nung pumunta kami doon, ang sabi nila it will take at least 7 days para bumalik yung result. Pero guys, bumalik yung result, natanggap namin yung result madaling araw kanina. So basically, isang araw lang at natanggap na namin agad yung resulta. So 'di ba na-mention ko last time na if ever negative ka, you will receive a text message, and if you are positive, then you will receive a phone call from the Department of Health. But in our case, guys, I'm very happy and I'm very pleased and blessed na Mike and I, both of us, are negative. So yes guys, negative kami ni Mike. It means wala kaming virus. It's just a common flu yung aming nararanasan ngayon. And again, we are starting to feel better. Kung nakikita nyo naman, the way na mag-vlog ako, parang may sigla na yung boses ko. Kasi alam naman nating lahat guys that happiness comes from within. So late kaming natulog ni Mike kagabi kasi nagtuob kami. I think I went to bed mga around 1 o'clock na siya ng madaling araw. Actually, gusto ko magpasalamat sa inyo kasi kayo yung nag-push talaga sa akin na magtuob. And it is really effective. You can probably tell now, much better na yung pagsasalita ko dahil sa ilong ko hindi na siya masyadong barado. Kaya maraming salamat talaga sa inyong concerns, sa malasakit nyo, and nafe-feel ko talaga yung pagmamahal nyo sa amin. So maraming salamat talaga. Anyways, so it was nearly 1 o'clock. Mike came into the room. Tapos pinakita lang niya sa akin yung phone niya. Natanggap pala niya yung text message from the Monash Health Clinic, yung clinic na pinuntahan namin for our test. Tapos, yun nga guys, yun yung natanggap. Si Mike yung unang nakatanggap ng text message. And I hugged him straight away and sabi ko, I'm very happy na negative yung result. Tapos, at the same time, medyo nag-worry ako guys. Kasi, bakit si Mike nakatanggap na and then ako wala pa. So, I was very scared na maybe sa umaga na siguro ako makakatanggap ng tawag. Alangan naman na tumawag sila ng 1 o'clock ng umaga, diba? So, nag-alala ako guys kasi sabi ko, paano pag tinawagan nila ako sa umaga tapos sabihin nila na positive ako? Anyways, parang nag-una-una lang ang aking utok guys because I was so scared and I was so worried. And then, kaninang umaga pagkagising ko, nakatanggap ako ng message from the clinic na katulad doon kay Mike. So, ito yung sabi, Dear Jovelyn Essen, thank you for attending a Monash Health Clinic on the 7th of July. This is to notify you that COVID-19 was not detected. If you are in isolation because of recent travel or you are a close contact of a known case, you must remain so for the designated period. If you are still unwell, please see your GP wearing a mask. For any other advice, please call the Results of tests for other viruses, including influenza, are available to your GP by contacting Monash Pathology. Oh my God. I am so very happy talaga guys the negative kami ni Mike because I have been stressing about it for the last few days. And now na natanggap namin yung resulta na negative, parang sigh of relief siya. Kasi parang nabunutan ba ng tinik yung puso namin. Kasi sobrang nag-worry ako talaga. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa inyo sa mga prayers nyo, sa mga lovely comments nyo na sinasabi nyo na sana negative, na huwag kang mag-alala, it will be okay. Yun bang nakakadagdag ng lakas ng loob talaga. Kaya I'm very lucky and I'm very happy na meron akong kayo na nagmamalasakit sa akin ng pamilya ko. So nung natanggap namin yung text message earlier today, then we got Paris ready for childcare. So na-notice nyo na walang noise dito kasi wala dito si Paris Yang. So kaninang umaga, I got Paris ready. We dropped her at the childcare. Kasi yung rason lang naman talaga na hindi namin dinala sa childcare si Paris yesterday is that hinintay muna namin yung result ng test bago kami mag-decide kung ibabalik namin si Paris sa childcare or not. Kasi nga, 'di ba? Alangan naman si Paris lang yung ipalakad namin papuntang childcare. So it means that we have to take Paris in. And kung kami naman ay unwell, it's not a good idea na pumasok sa building. Kaya kahapon, hindi namin pinapasok si Paris. Parang nasad ako kahapon kasi I know how much Paris loves the childcare. Like, she's got friends there, she learns there, and also, I don't know, they've got lots of sort of things na ginagawa nila in a day na parang nare-release talaga niya yung energy niya compared sa kung nandito siya sa bahay. Kaya yesterday, I prayed talaga na sana bumalik na yung result and hoping na negative siya para naman mabalik-balik na rin sa normal yung buhay namin. On the other note pala, di ba sabi ko sa mga previous videos ko na until ma-receive namin yung result, within 7 days, i-isolate muna namin yung sarili namin. Hindi muna kami gagala-gala pa. Nung natanggap namin yung negative result kaninang umaga. Yes, of course, we were very happy. We were relieved na negative yung result. But you know what, guys? Hindi pa rin kami makakalabas or makagala-gala man kahit saan. Kasi starting yesterday, dineklara ng premier dito sa Victoria na magla-lockdown uli yung Melbourne. So, yes guys, for the next 6 weeks, lockdown na naman yung Melbourne. So, it means hindi kami makapunta-punta kung saan-saan man. And we can just go out of the house if necessary lang. So, kung bibili kami ng gamot, or bibili kami ng mga pagkain, or people that needs to go to work. And, yeah, so even if lockdown siya guys, the childcare will still remain open. So, that's okay. They got no problem with that. Nagkaroon na naman kasi ng second wave ng coronavirus dito sa Melbourne guys. And I think it's a very smart thing to do. I think, you know, for the premier to do that. Kasi para talaga mag-stop yung spreading, it's good na mag-stay muna dito sa loob ng bahay yung mga tao. So ngayon, instead na yung opisina ko rin, sabi nila last time na maybe we'll go back to the office at least, you know, once or twice a week starting this month or maybe next month. But I don't think so now, guys. I think, like, seriously, to be honest, naiisip ko, maybe we'll be working from home for the rest of the year. Yan yung naiisip ko ngayon. Kasi, hindi natin alam pagkatapos ng 6 weeks. They might extend the lockdown again. Kaya hindi na talaga kami magkikita ni Manghud nito, Jess. Dai, unsaon na lang gid ni Dai. Jess and I, we have been planning to catch up. So, last weekend sana pupunta kami sa kanila. But then, I was sick, we were sick. Kaya, hindi kami natuloy sa kanila. Ang sabi namin, this weekend na lang kasi birthday niya. And ngayon, naabta namin sa lockdown, hindi na kami nagkita. Kaya, I'm not sure, Dai, kung kailan tayo ulit magkikita. But we'll make sure na sometime this year, baka Pasko na tayo magkita, Dai. But safety first muna tayo. Kaya stay muna tayo dito indoors. And pag may araw lang, pwede namang makalabas-labas ng bahay. Basta wag lang dun sa mga crowded places. You are allowed to go out naman for exercise. Yung mga ganun. So, but yun lang guys. Yun lang talaga yung gusto kong i-share. And Mike is also now feeling better, guys. Like, I can see him now smiling. Iba talaga yung bahay, guys, pag may sakit kami. Kasi hindi talaga masigla, hindi masaya. And now, I can see and I can sense that Mike is getting back to, you know, normal-ish. Hindi na talaga siya katulad nung past few days na sobrang down niya talaga and he was very unwell. Ngayon ay medyo okay na kami and it makes me very, very happy. Kaya maraming salamat talaga sa prayers niya. And oh, meron pala ako i-share sa inyo guys. Natanggap ko to siya sa mail today. And si Mike pala yung nakatanggap actually. And pinakita ko to sa kanya. Tingnan nyo, oh, dumating na. Ang tagal ko na itong in-order online. And, tingnan nyo, diba? Ayan, pang tulog ba? Pag hindi mahinaw, pang summer, very winter na ngayon. Tingnan nyo, so cute talaga. Pinakita ko kay Mike and doon ko nalaman na medyo okay na talaga yung pakiramdam niya. Kasi parang nagjo-joke-joke na ba siya. Kasi sabi ko, honey, ganun, pinakita ko sa kanya. Tapos sabi niya, ooh, ganyan. Alam niyo yung mga tingin na parang may hindi maganda. Hindi magandang plano, yun yung tingin niya. And I know then na okay na si Mike kasi he can pull up a face like that. So, yeah, makes me very, very happy. Anyways, I'm not sure kung kailan ko to masusuot, no? Kasi very maginaw. Kasi kahit nga ngayon, oh, meron akong heater na naka-on. Paano pa kaya? But I really love this one, guys. So cute. Anyways, guys, habang may time pang naiwan yung lunch break ko, mag-i-edit muna ako para may pang-load tayo today. Para may pang-upload at may ma-watch kayo. And yung ating battery is nagkikipat-kipat na siya, oh. Kasi mamamatay na yung battery. I will see you later on, guys. Bye!
Get the fish.
The fish. Bulingit ka nga bata.
I put the water there.
Very dirty ang ating baby, oy. Come on, let's go.
Then we cover.
Yeah. Mama, open the door.
This one.
Dish one.
Open the door, Mommy.
What do you say?
Please.
Please.
Daddy, come. Fish. Fish.
Daddy's not in the car, anak. Daddy's at home. No.
Cooking jar.
Huh?
A big fish.
What did you say now?
A big fish.
Anak, did you say Daddy cooking dinner?
No, Daddy, come. The fish.
Daddy's not in the car. Where's Daddy?
Daddy, look. A baby.
Daddy's not in the car, anak.
The cookie jar.
Yeah, that's right. Daddy cooking dinner. That's why he didn't come. Push. Push. Good job. Yay! Hindi pa masyadong madilim, oh. Nearly 6 o'clock na. Wait for Mama.
Mama, up,
Up, up, up.
side.
Where is Daddy?
Yeah.
Where's Daddy? Daddy's not in the car. Where's Daddy?
There's a cooking jar.
Cooking dinner. That's right. Ayan guys, nakauwi na kami ni Paris. Andito na ang ating bata, oh. And nanonood pala kami ng vlog ng ating friendship, Lola's family. Tingnan nyo, namimili sila ng ng cake ni Jessica for her birthday. Ayan.
Thank you, Tita.
Clip ako, and Jessica, it's the same. Oh. Star. Because you both are stars. Star.
Daddy.
Ready.
There's a food yuckies.
What's your mommy's name?
Duffy.
Huh?
Duffy.
Sophie. What's your daddy's name?
Mick.
How about your name?
Pass.
How about Tita's name?
Mama, Tito.
Tita Mimi.
Tito. Mimi.
Tito
Chicho.
Jojo. Lola
Mama.
Vilma.
Prima.
Lolo
You.
Puldo.
You. Ujo.
Lola
Mama.
Karen.
Papa. Kaya.
That's right. Well done.
Cutting.
Nana.
Yan. Sa.
Nana.
Yan.
Susan.
Sa. Tita.
Susan.
Tusa.
Pa.
Pa.
Alan.
Pa.
Alan.
Ay.
Yay. Good, beautiful girl.
Ice.
Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Paris took the cookie from the cookie jar.
Me?
Yes, you.
Me?
Then who?
Cookie jar? Crazy cookie jar?
Cookie jar.
Me?
Yes, you.
Duck me?
Then who? Oh no! It's broken.
Oh no, it's bucket.
It's broken. Oh no.
Look it. Oh no.
What did you do? Come on, let's go. Go to the bathroom. Go bathroom.
Please.
Paris.
It's Mama.
It's Mama. What's Mama's name?
Toffee.
Jeffrey.
Wow.
Sige na, wash your face na yun. Sige na, mag-ilis na ta. Babe, show me the teeth. Good girl.
Queenie.
Clean now.
I'm got this one.
This one. Do you wash the face na yun?
This.
Let's go to bed.
Hello?
Yes.
She licked it already. No cut.
Daddy hair? Come na. I know you, Daddy. I'll clean the bedroom for now.
Look at that.
Yeah. Tomorrow she buang like she eats the hair. The seesaw. 1, 2, 3. 1,
2.
2.
Mama, 2.
Too heavy. Boom.
More.
1.
More.
Okay. Time check tayo guys. It's now 11:01 ng gabi. And kanina pa pala nakatulog si Paris. However, hindi ako nakapag-vlog agad-agad kasi nag-chika minute muna kami ng aking mga mangho dito sa YouTube na si Giselle at si Amy and Anthony. So guys, if you haven't checked their channels out as yet, please bisitahin niyo yung channel nila kasi paniguradong mai-enjoy niyo rin yung mga vlogs nila. Anyways, yun lang yung ganap natin for today, guys. I am just very happy to share with you all yung result. And yeah, I'm very happy that the result came back negative. And hindi ko talaga ma-express yung happiness ko nung na-receive ko yung text message. And yeah, thank you Lord talaga. And sa lahat ng mga prayers nyo, maraming salamat.
Actually, guys, meron pa palang isang test na pwede kong gawin if I just want to check kung meron akong past infection ng virus ng coronavirus before. Ito yung tinatawag nila na antibody test, where they check your blood kung meron kang mga antibodies, which may tell you if you had a past infection of the virus. But for me personally, guys, I don't really need to know kung meron man akong virus before. Like for me, the main thing is yung ngayon. Like every other thing dito sa mundo, I know that past is important, but the present and the future is way more important for me. So, for me, hindi na kailangan na mag-antibody test kami. The main thing is now, clear kami sa virus, and now we can just do proper things to protect ourselves and also sa mga tao na nakapaligid sa amin. Before ko i-end yung vlog natin for today, guys, I just wanna say thank you sa mga bagong subscribers and welcome sa inyo. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung stay dito, and sa mga lovely subscribers ko na palaging nagko-comment ng mga very kind words. Thank you ng marami sa inyo kasi kayo talaga yung nakakapag-motivate sa akin na mag-upload pa ng maraming videos. I'll just do a quick shout out, guys, and we will start with Lynn Ahmad. Shout out to M's Journey, Ana Demate, McNoll Castaneda, Annalisa Famat, Gapul Lin, Mi ASMR, May Gao, Mayet Iskame, Nori Aliada, shout out to Josie Malio, Reggie V. Fully, Considerate Arnie, Erlyn Dio, Elnora Grinja, shout out to Maribel Patiag, Mary Jane Sobere, Korea Cross Blended, Marietta Manzana, shout out to Shiara Valera, Marilyn Drudge, Dayin Villarin, April Rose Romero, Fe Guarnes, Flora Ferrer, Divine, and shout out to Lorna Tumarong, shout out to Jin Dilay, Myla Alonzo, Love Cyber Rose Rosales, Milba Musni, Jeran Ambe, Flora Ferrer, Rosemary La Rosa, Erica Peralta, Rose San Gabriel, Evelyn Buena, Rosalita Araiz, Emeline Laura, Ginia Dular, Vanje Tirado, shout out to CSZ26, Fe Dizon, Leilani Quino, Roselyn Taihon, shout out to Carla Mi Arias, Mylene Franco, Jovel Makilan, Mutya Munining, Rosemay Arquita, Janet Gordon, Maria Victoria Pangan, Gina Ibo, Vida Feliz, Rowena Hidalgo, Rowena Racho, Rosemary Romoir, Jane Mapinmags, Marilu Corpus, shout out to Mercy Dahak, Maritis Zamora, Emeline Abila, Debbie Ascona, Adila Moratin, shout out to Winnie Rolian, Rosel Tan, Lerma Cerizo, Jay Cruz, Ria Sicharon, Lynn Angels 12 La Chica, Jing De Ases, Lina De Los Santos, Sharon Ando, Karen Di Maano, Wonder Pinay, and shout out to Hila Ska, Diosi Malio, Ogeti De Hilio, Lina Bercasio, Marvs Manlunas, Marlene Valdez, Marichu Solis, shout out to Jonalyn Diongson, Papa Tao, Fabrel Go, Myla Bitasolo, Jessie Reality, shout out to Imelda Jimenez, Maria Sheila Rubia, Gloria Bustos, Merlinda Mijares, Charis Mirabete, Our Life Australia Philippines, shout out to Rico Balarisha, Loida Gillimer, LV Montealegre, Magdalena Gonzalez, Teresa Perry Abras, Edith Bermudo, Cactus PH, Mary Jane Yes Maspanwa, Marisol Torres, and Ida Harin. And that brings us to the end of this vlog, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. I would like you all on board. I can see na merong mga nanonood na hindi pa nakasubscribe. Kaya sana mag-subscribe na kayo sa channel natin. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, be careful. Bye!